Hello weavers! Now I want to talk a little bit about needles, the needles that are included with Hello Loom. So we have two larger size needles that are included with the tableau size loom. This is the tablet size loom, a little bigger than our basic, so you get bigger needles that cross the whole distance of the warp. This needle is the one that fits with our basic size loom, so our standard size needle. And you can see they start getting really small, and you might be saying to yourself, why do I need a wooden needle? Well, with Hello Loom, we like to use wood for our products. We're trying to create a plastic-free environment if possible, and so we were pretty excited to learn that we could create a pretty strong, usable needle with just wood. And so, as you know, all of the component parts are embedded in the laser cut design. And this is our tiniest needle. It's called the Bambino. It's a little ridiculous because it's so small. And I know some of our customers struggle threading it, so I am going to tell you a little bit more about that in my next video, but we think it's pretty cute. And then finally, you can see this beautiful red needle is made out of plastic, and it's something we started to include with a few of our smallest looms because we know that these smaller hands need a little bit of help to get started.